Yes, hello. Welcome back. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is TradeUp speaking, and some of our brothers, me as NASA Skills, and I'm the one speaking. So, as usual and as always, when our week is starting, we always we always get what we call a weekly forecast or a weekly forecast analysis. So, in this video, just allow me analyze for you. We see what we expect in the coming week, such that we can forecast and we can tackle the week when we know what's really going on. So, without wasting much time, I'm going to start with our website. I'm going to start with the fundamentals. We see what's planned in the coming week. So, this website is called My FX Book, and I'm using the economic calendar. So, if I'm to see Monday will be 5th, and I'm looking at only the high impact news. But as always tell you that don't lose guard, even if it's not high impact news, even if you're seeing as if it's low impact or none, still it can affect the market unknowingly when you know nothing. So I'm looking at on Monday we got card. I see card. There is some good news, and this is SP Global Service. CHF, we have inflation rate year over year, and ISM services. So what are we having on Tuesday? On Tuesday, I'm looking at because most people don't most people don't trade the Chinese Chinese currency. So CHF, we got unemployment rate for April. For April, on Euro, we have unemployment change, as you can see. I'm just looking at more competitive payers or more competitive currencies, which are highly competitive in the market, and they can highly affect all the some are volatile now. Those are the payers, all those are the currencies which I'm looking at. Still on Tuesday, what are we having? What are we having? CAD, EVPMI, SA. Wednesday, what am I looking at? NZD, we got unemployment rate, unemployment quarter over quarter. Retail sales on a euro, on the dollar. What are we at? Fed, which means on May 7th, we got interest rate decision. We got interest rate decisions. Let's look at Thursday, euro balance of trade, as well as even on the GBP. We have interest rate decisions. On Wednesday, we have it on the dollar, and on Thursday, we get it on the GBP. The pound. Monetary policy report and farm productivity. Friday, what are we having? Just look at its impact. Previous, consensus, it means forecast. People's opinions or analysts' opinion. And these forecasts, some other times they're like sentiments. What? I think you can see. Fed, we got Fed news unemployment rate on card on Friday. Friday, we have unemployment rates on card. So that's it. That's what I'm seeing. So without wasting much time, you are seeing This was my Bitcoin prediction yesterday on Saturday, and I gave most of these. Actually, I was live. And I told most people that this was a selling area. Yeah, someone visited me by Chris. This FX Pesa guy was at my place, so we analyzed with him. Big up, Chris. I gave you this analysis that the market won't exceed this level. So if you are available or if you are around, I think you took this trade. So mark my words and say, like, know this, the market is going to respect this level to go up. This level is where we are buying from. If you're looking to buy Bitcoin, target that level. If you're looking to buy BTC, target, honestly, target that level. Okay? Those ones were high to buy a Bitcoin. Let's first look at DXY. So this is the DXY. You can see that it has been bullish, like it has been bearish, but according to our weekly close, it will try to be bullish. The whole week it was somehow bullish. Actually, it was not even somehow, it was bullish the whole past week. But on Friday, it meant something unusual. You can see that it's still forcing more currencies below Y. You can see that it's even its bias is really bullish. You can see this gap. The DXY is really bullish. Let's look on at our gold. Yes. That's gold and that's the daily time frame. I just want you to see its bias. I just want you to look at its bias. This cross does a bearish what? Doji. But what I can say is this area is somewhat significant. And if someone is to look at gold, if gold doesn't exceed this level, if it exceeds or if it reaches, actually, let me just go to a lower time frame. Let me switch to a lower time frame. My friends, whom I traded with, all of my analyzed with the previous Thursday, before NFP, I told you that it's going to buy at this level, and that's what it did. So my analysis and my anticipation is if we are to buy, let's expect gold to buy up to sell up to this level, but without like if it doesn't buy direct to that level, I'm expecting gold to come to these areas, reach 3,300 before we sell. Then buys, let's expect them at this level. Let's expect them at this price level. If you're washing, I don't know where you're washing from, but let's expect it at that level. Understand? That's it. Let's look at US oil. This is US oil. This is US oil. Last week was bearish. The whole of last week, it was bearish. And even it exceeded the level where it was supposed to stop. Actually, this was highly unexpected because according to what we were thinking, we thought this level was going to be somewhat strong. But again, it did the opposite. You understand? It did the opposite. If you are to see. It's supposed to buy, but again, it later sold. Actually, the past 2 weeks, they have been bearish. Let me look at the previous day. You see, actually, even the previous day crossed bearish. It crossed bearish. But if we are to look at this level, anyway, let me switch to a 15 minutes time frame. The problem with US oil, it doesn't respect, actually, it doesn't reach a very nice or a polar structure. It's always indecisive. It's too junky, but let's wait. So what? Let's wait. But according to what I'm saying, this was a support level. This is a serious support level. That's a serious support level. Might retest it, go up, we fail, we break below it, let's retest. Let's expect sales up to these levels below this low. That's where we should expect our sales, our targets to be. If we exceed, like if we trade below this level and retest at that very level, let's look at EBP, USD. This is BJ, EBP. This is BU, GBP, USD, and you can see that it has already reached our buying levels. So if it has reached our buying levels, let's just open our highs widely. You know what? We open our highs widely. I can see. Breaking below these levels, remember, so far, I can testify that this is a support level. But if we break it, just know that will be a sell position to this level. Then we execute for more. We execute for buys. Let's look at Euro USD without wasting much time. Euro USD. Euro USD, actually, this was a selling level. However much it was a weak one. It was a weak one. So I expect it to be a strong support at this area for more buys. But if we are to fail, put your TPs below this area. Your TPs should be below this level for your buy. If we are to break below this level. Another thing, remember, this is also another strong selling level. The selling level. Mind you, USD card. This is USD card. This is USD card. Let's look at it on a hourly time frame. You can see that it has been just building volume, much volume, and a lot of volume. If you're to see, confirm the proper what? The market structure. How much? Here, it didn't respect that level. The first candle made a rejection, but even the second candle crossed below it and it swept the previous candle's liquidity, which signified a strong what? Trend. So we are just looking for retracement below to proceed below. Unless when the DXY amplifies its what? It's buying pressure on the index. I mean the dollar index. That's what are you seeing? CXY, the Canadian dollar index. If it sells, then that's better. They will signal only to push for more what? To push for more buys. Otherwise, let me look at USD JPY. This is USD JPY. Consider it respected our levels. We do what? Respected our levels. And mind you, if we are to go below this level, still we shall just use this very level as our selling level. Markets are funny by down. Markets are funny. Otherwise, I'm just waiting for your comments in the comment section to comment in case of anything. Which next video should we like? What should be our next video? what should be our next topic. Just asking you to put everything in the comment section. Otherwise, be blessed. May God bless you.